Welcome to HomeRepairSavannah.com, your #1 place to find service professionals in Savannah, Georgia. Are you looking for new windows in Savannah, Georgia? Well, you've come to the right place. HomeRepairSavannah.com. Not a huge national directory, but all local contractors, specifically for Savannah, Georgia. Just visit our site, locate the exterior finishes category, click Window Installation, and call your local window installer. Thanks for visiting HomeRepairSavannah.com, your #1 place to find service professionals in Savannah, Georgia.